In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on IC markets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to IC markets. Then from there, sign into your account. Then once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click onto accounts, and then we can go ahead and click on our demo account or our real account. So I've just got a demo account for this demonstration. So if I click on the three dots, you're going to see there's no option to change the leverage for this. So basically what we need to do is either delete your demo or real account and then open up a new account. So I'm just going to open up a new demo account. Then from here, we got the option to click on MetaTrader 5, CTrade or MT4. And then below that, we can change the leverage. So this is the only way we can do it. So if I don't want to use 1 to 30, I want to use 1 to 10. And then we can obviously change our initial deposit and account type, and then go ahead and click on proceed. And then that's going to go ahead and change your leverage on IC markets.